Hey guys, Randall here. We're fixing to run into the Home Depot and see what kind of tool deals we can find. Okay guys, we got the Husky 235 piece mechanics tool set. Got a great price of $99. That does include the 1/4 inch drive, the 3/8 drive, and the 1/2 inch drive ratchet. And you do get the lifetime warranty. That's a great deal right there. We have a new lower price on the Husky 20 piece combination ratchet wrench set. Was $85.97. New lower price $59.97. Does include standard and metric. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Only at the Home Depot. We have the Husky 3-piece pry bar set. Was $39.97. New lower price $29.97. While supplies last. And that does come with the lifetime warranty. Got a new lower price on the Husky 10-piece combination wrench set. Was $24.97. Now $19.97 each. You can pick from the metric or standard. Lifetime warranty. We have the Husky 50-piece mechanics tool set, 1/4 inch drive, standard and metric. Was $42.97, now $29.97. A great little item to throw in the trunk of the car. And that does come with a lifetime warranty. You have your choice of the Husky 1/2 inch drive torque wrench or 3/8 inch drive torque wrench. $49.97. New lower price. We got the Husky 13-inch tool backpack, $24.88, while supplies last.